Here we have the seated cable row, or the S918 low row as this machine is designated. It is a wonderful machine for working your mid-traps, your rear delts, generally most of your back. It can also be performed for exercises that are unilateral, which target the serratus anterior, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. There are a number of different attachments. There is, as usual, a load selector, so you can actually choose the intensity of your workout. And we'll begin by setting up the machine for the intensity, and then, as always, hygiene comes first. So we're starting off with a narrow grip attachment. There are actually straps that you can use to lock your feet in. I don't think that anybody is actually going to need these. We're going to perform the exercise by simply having an upright back, bringing the elbows to your side and behind, and bringing your hands towards your chest and holding it there for a nice squeeze. So this is providing a very nice workout for rear delts and mid traps. For slightly different activation patterns of the tissue, or changing the bias, we can also change the width of the grip in a bilateral movement by using a different attachment. So we've gone from one extreme to the other, from the narrow grip to a very wide grip. Now the back stays in the same position, so nice upright back, and it's purely that we're going to bring the elbows behind and bring the attachment to our chest. So hold and squeeze, nice slow retraction that matches the rep cadence for our mesocycle. We can also, as I was saying before, use this for unilateral exercises to target the serratus anterior. So this would involve using one hand at a time and a rotational movement through the thoracic spine. So you want to start this with a quite low weight, and the movement itself starts at the chin. So we're trying to rotate our upper bodies, the chin, shoulder, and then bringing the hand towards our hip. So rotating chin, shoulder, hand towards the hip. Chin, shoulder, hands towards the hip. And you'll feel that through the serratus anterior and around into the scapula. So because it's unilateral, you'll need to do each side individually. But it is an amazing workout for that tissue. And if you're somebody that has problems with rib subluxations, this is definitely one you should include in your weekly spread.